Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Huawei Cloud login problems, account and region errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with your Huawei Cloud account, don't worry. The first step is to check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Next, verify your Huawei ID credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct email or phone number associated with your account. Double-check your password for any typos or errors. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. If you are still unable to log in, check the region settings of your Huawei ID. Huawei Cloud services may vary by region. Ensure that you are logging in from the correct region linked to your account. If you've recently moved, you may need to update your account's region settings. To do this, go to the Huawei ID website and sign in. Navigate to the account settings and look for the option to change your region. Follow the instructions provided to update your region. If you encounter an account error, try signing in from a different device. Sometimes, the problem could be related to your current device's settings or app version. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Huawei Cloud app if you are accessing through a mobile device. If you're using a browser, try clearing your cache and cookies. After clearing the cache, refresh the page and try logging in again. If you still face issues, consider trying a different browser altogether. Sometimes, browser compatibility can lead to login problems. If all else fails, contact Huawei customer support for assistance. Provide them with as much information as possible about the error messages you receive. They will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate Huawei Cloud login problems. Keep these tips on hand for future reference. With the right approach, your login issues can be resolved quickly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.